Hi everyone, happy Independence Day. This is Anyasha Mukherjee from USA Clinton, and today I am going to show you Tiranga Vara. So for Tiranga Vara I have taken urad dal, three types of dal. Urad dal with gobi, I made a puree. Tur dal with broccoli and dhania and green chili, I had made the puree. And Masuri and grated carrot and orange color, I had made a puree. So these are the items I had made. And now I will add, I already added the ginger paste and cumin I will add. Eventually I will just give you the recipe because here is no more time. So I have already heated white oil, like canola oil is available in USA, and with that I will add ghee. Now I will fry the vara. I will add some lemon to here as well. And now this is tur dal with the broccoli and the other veggies, like all the green, and with that I have added green color. And this is biuli dal or urad with the gobi, which will give white in color. This one with the sabudana and the blue color. Because the time is a limit, so I am like doing so quickly. So the orange color you have seen, that is with tur and grated carrot, and the orange food color with salt and jeera, whatever taste you like. And this is sabudana with the blue color. And the green vara you are seeing, like that is with tur, broccoli, coriander and green chili. And this one just sabu and blue color. It's a kind of like papad, sabu papad ho gaya. Vara in the form of vara. So my dish is ready now to serve. And white one is biuli or the urad with the with the gobi. I will write all the ingredients, and for garnishing I have taken murmura or puffed rice, along with that carrots, coriander and cashew. It's already roasted, what I got from the store. So I have soaked that with the blue color, and grated coconut, cucumber and fried green chili, and I made a bed of that. I have soaked the vara in paper towel so that it can drain excess oil, or it can soak excess oil for that, because it will be healthy as well as it is deep fried. So my vara is ready. Now I will do garnishing. So these are pumpkin leaves from my garden, and this is the thing. You can use your hands, or you can eat it with spoon. And this is the decoration, and it is representing Bengal because I am from Bengal. So this is Ekara, and this is the candle I have used as a decoration because हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे इंडिया जैसे पूरे दुनिया में रोशन कर रहे हैं. एज बीइंग एन इंडियन आई फील प्राउड, एंड हम भी कहीं पे कहीं नाम रोशन करेंगे. लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट.